For the second document, we will be starting with another new file. This time we'll be using a template. So under File and New, we're going to search your template for Cover Letter Blue. We want Cover Letter Blue in parentheses, select it, and click Create. In this template, we're going to use our template elements to modify as needed. Pause this video to get all of the appropriate information. For the next line of this document, if you were to press Enter, it would move you down in the document. In order to avoid this, we're going to press Shift and Enter at the same time so that we can go just one line down to finish the address. We want to make sure to save this document for continuing on with our changes. Do File, Save As, and once again saving this to my desktop. This time we're going to name it WD1-Rainforest Letter and click Save. From here we continue on making our changes. Part of the template elements, your name, and then also your name at the bottom are linked. We want to unlink these. In order to do this, we're going to right-click on the element and remove Content Control. This will allow us to type Reason to Go and not have our name at the bottom change. For the address section, we're going to type Travel. For telephone number, we're going to type Volunteer. And then for email, we're going to type www.r2g.com. Scrolling down, we also need to modify this template element as well. We want to remove Content Control so we can delete just the first name. Also, in this paragraph, we want to replace this template text with the following. I suggest that you pause the video. Once you have the paragraph typed, ensure that your name is at the bottom. Save this document, and it is now ready to submit along with the first document to the Dropbox.